everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I just wanted to come on here and say hello. How is everybody doing? Please leave me comments of what's on your hook today. I would absolutely love to see what's on your hook and what you're making this week. I am actually working on a market bag and I was just about to get a blanket pattern on my hook today, hopefully, to kind of work on the next few weeks. I just wanted to come on here and make a quick update, quick video. Some changes are going to be happening behind the scenes here at YARNutopia for the next several weeks, just because I'll get into that in just a second, but I have a few video tutorials that I have pre-filmed, a couple of videos that I've pre-filmed, and then I have actually one video we are going to film like next after this one. My dad's here and he is getting ready to film one tutorial, but that's going to be our last video that we are going to bank up before baby gets here. I had posted a blog post yesterday, like last night, and it was kind of like a mini update of what I've been dealing with lately. I wasn't doing so hot there for a little while, so I just wanted to share. I've been having a few complications toward the end of this pregnancy, and so the doctors advised me to transition closer to the hospital. So I will be transitioning to a temporary apartment closer to the hospital for the rest of this pregnancy, but and I share a blog post about that on YARNutopia.com. I'll link it in the description of this video so you can just click it and read about it and see what's been going on over here. I was actually hospitalized for a week last week, and that's why we didn't have a WIP Wednesday video, and also technical difficulties prevented me from having a video last Wednesday, but I just wanted to let you all know that I won't be posting as regularly as I have been. I'll try my best to check in as much as possible, but in the meantime, I just plan to crochet quite a bit. Like I said, I have that market bag on my hook right now. It's almost done. And then I have a blanket that I have a design for that I'm going to start pretty soon. So hopefully these crochet projects will pass some of the time while I transition closer to the hospital, and once I finish them and I'm back on my feet and back in the studio after the baby's here, I will make tutorials for those projects, so I plan to share them with you. And I'll try to update you guys as much as possible between now and when baby's here, but there's not much time left, so you'll get a few updates from between now and then. So he's almost here. It's so crazy awesome. Like, oh, amazing. And for those of you who have read the blog already that I posted last night, I really want to say a huge thank you to everybody who has liked, who has left a comment, who has shared a little bit about their struggle and their stories, and just all your thoughts and prayers are so greatly appreciated, and this baby has no idea how much love is outpouring to him right now. It is amazing. We feel it all around us right now. So thank you so much. And Nate and I are both preparing for this transition, and my mom is helping us as well. Both of my parents are going to be doing their part. My dad has a few videos he's going to be editing. My mom's going to help me with the blog in the meantime, and she's going to stay with me. My dad will probably stay with me a few days as well, and then Nate will stay with me when he doesn't have to work. So there's a lot of changes going on over here, and we're just trying to figure a lot of things out, but we'll make it through. It's very temporary, and in the end we are going to have our beautiful bundle of joy. So I can't wait for that. But in the meantime, please keep checking in with me. Please, keep sharing your work. I would love to see all your crochet projects. They all just lift me up in my spirits, and I just love getting the inspiration from all of you and the whole community. So keep on the baby watch as well. It is so soon that this is happening, so I cannot wait, and I will be updating you as much as I can, but that's really all I have today. Just please read my blog from yesterday, and I'll just try to update everybody from between now until baby's here, but I'll check in as much as I can. So until next week, I have I'll still be doing WIP Wednesdays, so I'm not going anywhere. But we have a few video tutorials already baked up in the archives that we are going to be releasing as well through these next couple of weeks. So I can't wait to share those with you either. So until next week, I hope you all have a great WIP Wednesday and a great rest of this month, and soon baby will be here. So until then, happy hooking!